I have now completed the sump pump repair, which was truly just giving it a little tweak and then lubricating it. But I have it back in the sump hole. I have a hose hooked up to our water supply system. It is pumping directly into the sump crock. It's amazing how quickly this thing actually pumps water out. But you'll see that it is operating fully fine and completely fine as it fills up here. I'm going to let it run a couple of cycles just to assure you. There it goes. Literally takes less than 10 seconds to pump the full. Well, I was pouring it in by hand early, probably 14 or 15 gallons in between the off and on position of the float. I'll try to get a little closer this time. You can watch it and hear it better, I hope. Try to catch the float system going off. That adjustment did not change. That was preset. Here it's about ready to go. And you have a fully operational sump pump.